Shit.
It's like fishtails, huh? Come on. Except they're eating flakes.
Yeah. Baby, come look at this. They just kissed each other.
Yeah?
No.
I was like kissing each other.
Look at that, is so cute. They're hungry little fuckers. He's all, get out of my food. They're fighting each other.
Let me see.
There he goes.
They're like sharks fighting over a fish, huh? He takes a bite and he goes on. He takes a bite, he goes on. Now get him away, huh? Taking pics. They're like the little tabbles. The boy, that's a boy and that's a girl. You know how I know? Is that the fact that we're kissing. Kissing, that means we're boy and girl.